So your tenant just moved out, huh? Now what? Whether it's your first turnover or your fifth, there's a few things that every landlord should expect once those keys are received back. Hi, I'm Josh with Magnum Property Management, and today I'm going to walk you through the 5 most important things to prepare for when a tenant moves out. There's some things you can and cannot charge for. Number 1 is usually spot cleaning. Even if your tenants did keep a good home, you might need to do some light cleaning. It's simple things like wiping down baseboards, cleaning windows, freshening up the carpets. Really, this is just a normal part of a turnover. Typically, this is an owner expense. Number 2 is paint touch-up. Does your house have small scuffs, nail holes, faded paint maybe? It's totally normal when it comes to wear and tear. Most owners cover the minor touch-ups out of pocket. It's part of keeping that property move-in ready. Number 3 is rekey and safety checks. You always rekey your locks between your tenants. This is for safety. While you're at it, you might as well check for smoke alarms, carbon monoxide detectors, and any other safety devices. It's not only smart to do so, but it's actually a requirement in California. Number 4, security deposit timeline. I can't stress how important this is. Remember that in California, you have 21 days to return your tenant security deposits or send the itemized list of deductions. Staying on top of this is going to keep you compliant and avoid potential disputes, including lawsuits. And finally, number 5, labor versus material cost. You cannot charge for your own time or labor when fixing things yourself. You can only charge for the actual materials themselves. If you hire a vendor, their invoices can be deducted, but your personal time cannot. Tenant move-outs don't have to be stressful. Just follow this checklist and stay compliant, and your next turnover should be smooth and fast. If you'd rather not deal with the move-out inspections or security deposit distributions, this is where the team at Magnum Property Management comes in. We can handle this all for you. Please reach out if you have any questions. We'll see you on the next one.